Take a moment to arrive here, right where you are. Please close your eyes and place one or both hands on your heart. Someone said something or did something recently that landed in a tender place. Maybe they did not mean it the way it came out, or maybe they meant it exactly as they said it. Maybe you're not even sure, and the uncertainty is its own kind of ache. Whatever happened, your feelings are valid. You do not need to minimize them or talk yourself out of them or decide whether you have the right to feel hurt before you are allowed to feel it. You felt something. That is enough of a reason. As you inhale, acknowledge that hurt honestly. Yes, that stung. Yes, that landed somewhere real. Yes, I am allowed to feel this. And as you exhale, release the part that is not yours to carry. Their intention, their wound that likely drove their words, their inability to see you clearly in that moment. You can feel hurt and still release what does not belong to you. Your tender heart is not your weakness. It is your greatest gift. I'm sending you so much love.